US inflation, Europe's energy, and China slowdown. Here are 3 things to watch for in markets this week. US inflation. The search is on for any new evidence of a cooling in price gains. Data released in August had shown a clear improvement. Consumer prices were unchanged from the previous month and slowed to 8.5% from a year ago. A wholesale inflation report also suggested price gains may have peaked. But since 1 month does not make a trend, investors will continue to fixate on every new data point to recalibrate their expectations and game out how much longer the Fed will keep raising interest rates aggressively, as well as what that means for the valuation of risky assets versus havens. Europe's energy. The weather hasn't turned cold yet, but concern over a winter supply crunch hangs over the continent. Natural gas futures keep climbing due to limited supplies from Russia and rising demand to power air conditioning. That'll soon be replaced by rising demand to heat homes, factories, and offices. Governments are outlining plans to conserve fuel before winter by putting gas into storage. But the elevated prices are driving inflation and putting pressure on industry, especially in Germany. China slowdown. How deep is the slump in consumer and business spending, and what will Beijing do to reverse it? Reports on retail sales and industrial production will reveal the extent to which China's property crisis and COVID lockdowns continued to drag on growth. Economists and investors were surprised by the last round of data and quickly slashed their full-year GDP forecasts. They'll be sensitive to how President Xi Jinping frames any policy response in the lead-up to China's Communist Party Congress later this year. This is Market Bytes. I'm Scarlett Fu. For more content like this, follow us on all your favorite platforms.